Alright guys, we just got a 2013 F-150 here that we just finished a cruise control on. Module mounts up under the dash. This one you actually had to run a wire out under the hood to tag the vehicle speed sense wire, which is how the cruise monitors the speed of the vehicle. So a lot of the newer vehicles is controlled through the data network, so you don't have to hook that up. This one you did. So we got a aftermarket stock here, right here on the steering shroud. You got your on and off button, which will turn the green light on and off. You got your set coast button on top, and then you got your resume and accelerate button on the bottom. So she's all installed. We got power to it, and let's go take her out for a test drive. All right, so we're going about 45 down the road. Before you guys get started, you're gonna push the button on the end of it to turn it on. The green light illuminates. Tap the button on top here. Let your foot off the gas, and now our cruise control is set. And my feet are not on the gas pedal, and we got a red light. So simple as that.